Hello everyone, it's Mateja from Quectel. Today I will show you the SG150H EVB Kit, an awesome evaluation kit with a new generation of multi-mode smart LTE Cat 4 module with built-in Linux OS, high cost performance and small size. This EVB features multiple interfaces such as 3 USB interfaces, camera, video and audio interfaces, as well as 2 SIM card connectors and the SD card connector. The SG150H module is ideal for both industrial and consumer applications requiring high data rates and multimedia functions. We have packed all the accessories you need so you can quickly start developing and testing your custom application. Let's dive in and explore the evaluation kit. This kit contains EVB, active GNSS antenna, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas, power supply adapter, nuts and bolts, RF cables, headset, USB to RS232 adapter, micro USB Type B cable. Now let's get more familiar with the main elements of the SG150H EVB. Here we can see the SG150H module, main antenna, Wi-Fi Bluetooth antenna and GNSS antenna connectors, headphone connector, main UART COM port, debug COM port, 2 cameras, LCD, volume down, volume up and power keys, 2 SIM card connectors, SD card connector, USB Type-C connector, micro USB connector, power indicator, power switch, battery DC power supply switch, power supply connector. Let's first attach standoffs so the EVB is easier to operate. Now we can put our SG150H module in place. Next we will connect the 4G antenna, Wi-Fi Bluetooth antenna and active GNSS antenna. The first thing we need to do is to install the driver so we can communicate with our module. In order to do that, we are going to visit Silicon Labs website, download, unpack and install CP210X drivers. Let's now connect and turn on our EVB. First, we connect the power supply to the power supply connector. Next, we pull the battery DC power supply switch to the DC power position. Finally, we press the power key for 5 seconds. And that's it! To find out more about Quectel's SG150H EVB Kit, visit quectel.com, contact your regional sales team or our channel partners.